Madeline DeCosta. Welcome to my course on motivation skills. We will begin with Module 1 of this course. This module covers what is motivation, its key features and its importance. How come some people do extremely well in their jobs, whilst others barely manage to do the minimum? Well, it's motivation that makes all the difference. People do things for a reason. They are motives. So motives come in the form of feelings that we lack something and we go all out to meet those things that we lack. Let me give you a simple example. Suppose you are feeling very hungry and you have a lot of work to do on your desk. You will leave all those jobs aside and start searching for food. Welcome to Chapter 2, Maslow's Hierarchy of Need Theory. Scientists, researchers, theorists, psychologists, and business gurus have been wanting to know what really motivates people, and therefore we have dozens of theories on motivation. But the most basic or the fundamental theory on motivation is Maslow's Hierarchy of Need Theory. Therefore, we will first talk about this theory before we proceed to other theories. Now, what is this Maslow's Hierarchy of Need Theory? It is a basic theory which talks about our basic needs, and after meeting our basic needs, it moves on to meet the higher needs that we will have, personally and spiritually. So let us understand this theory a little more. Welcome to Chapter 3. In this chapter, we will cover Herzberg's motivators and hygiene factors. Frederick Herzberg was another American psychologist who wanted to know what really made people satisfied and dissatisfied at workplace. And therefore, he and his associates conducted interviews. They interviewed nearly 200 employees, namely engineers and accountants. He asked them questions like, think of the time when you felt extremely good about your job, or think of the time when you felt extremely bad about your job. Not only the present job, but any job that you have had. And when he compiled the responses, he found out that people have different reasons for feeling very good about their jobs, more different than feeling bad about their jobs. Welcome to Chapter 4, Team Motivation. This is a very exciting chapter. I'm sure you must have worked as a team at workplace or in your school days or in your college life. At some point of time, you must have definitely worked as a team, and you'll definitely get ample of opportunities to work as a team in future. Now, recent neuroscience studies tell us that human beings are wired to connect, and when they connect with each other and form a team, they do extraordinary work which they will never be able to do alone. Now, what is a team? A team is a group of people coming together to achieve a goal. Hi, welcome to Chapter 5, Challenges and Strategies of Motivation. So before we go to the strategies of motivation, we need to understand what are the challenges that managers encounter whilst motivating people. Now, people come from different beliefs, different value system, different attitudes. How will the manager understand how to motivate people? You can have people of the same age group, with the same educational background, with the same experience, working in the same office, but their needs are different. Therefore, there is a big challenge for managers to understand each individual and how to motivate them. The motives are in the form of feelings, mental feelings. Welcome to the last chapter, self-motivation. Now, why self-motivation is important? There are times where you don't have anybody to motivate you. Managers are busy with their own work. Personal life, you may not have anybody to motivate you. So what do you do then? Feel frustrated? Feel low? No. The answer is that you can motivate your own self. And how do you motivate your own self? There are various ways by which you can motivate your own self. You can read motivational books. Like my favorite is 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey, or The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. There are so many books on motivation. You can just pick one of those and read. It will make you feel motivated.